Add to the dirty clothes, and the result will surprise you. Snow white laundry, which you dream of, is within reach. Socks, t-shirts, tablecloths, or towels will regain their whiteness, and the stains will disappear. It's the perfect way to whiten and remove stains using a homemade method. If the stains haven't come out in the laundry and there are still dirt on the socks, this method will surely help you. It will also work for towels. After all, there shouldn't be any dirt on them. Check your white socks after washing and take out the ones that are still dirty or gray. Do the same with other items. I have a few towels. Some of them still have stains. Prepare a bowl and put all these items in it. Let me know which city you're watching me from today. Pour 2 liters of hot water. If you only have one item, 1 liter will suffice. Take vinegar from the cupboard and measure 1 cup. Pour it into the water with the items. Measure 3 tablespoons of laundry detergent. Pour it into the bowl. And finally, add 2 denture cleaning tablets. These tablets contain baking soda, citric acid, and other whitening agents. They clean and whiten clothes perfectly. Leave the laundry to soak for an hour. Put it in the washing machine and wash as usual with other white items. There will be no trace of stains. The items will be clean and snow white. The underwear will regain its snowy white color without the use of chlorine bleach. Pour hot water, very hot, into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda to it. This is a commonly known product for its whitening properties. If you don't have baking soda, you can use 3 or 4 packages of baking powder. Baking powder is a mixture with soda in it, so it has a weaker effect than soda alone. Also, add 2 tablespoons of salt to the water. Salt whitens and removes stains. Our grandmothers already used it for this purpose when doing laundry. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of laundry detergent, preferably designed for white clothes. Mix everything with a spoon or spatula. Immerse the cotton underwear, soak it thoroughly, and leave it for at least 20 minutes. Take it out of the bowl and put it in the washing machine as usual with other white items and wash it. Delicate lingerie, lace panties, and bras will look like new. You can also whiten them with another home method. In a bowl of warm water, not boiling, add baking soda and laundry detergent for white clothes in the same proportion. It can be 2 tablespoons for a smaller amount of items. Dissolve them well and soak the lingerie. Leave it to soak for about 20 minutes and wash it as usual in the washing machine on the Delicate Fabrics program. After washing, you will notice the difference. The lingerie will be much whiter. How to wash curtains to make them white again? After a few weeks, curtains turn gray and lose their snowy white color, especially curtains hanging in the kitchen and dining room. Not only dust and dirt settle on them, but also grease. If you don't have time to soak them before washing in the machine, prepare a sock. Put 2 tablespoons of salt in it, add a little dishwashing liquid. But not too much, so that there is not too much foam. Throw this salt and dishwashing liquid bundle into the washing machine with the curtains. Add a laundry capsule as usual, and pour a little vinegar into the fabric softener compartment. This will refresh the whiteness and help remove strong stains. Curtains will be like new after washing. However, you will achieve better results if you soak the curtains before washing. Pour 2 tablespoons of salt into a bowl of warm water. For a better effect, adding at least 1 tablespoon of baking powder is sufficient. Instead of baking powder, you can use baking soda, depending on what you have in your kitchen cabinet. Soak the curtains in this water, and then wash them as usual in the washing machine. You'll get rid of dirt, and the curtains will be snowy white again after just 1 wash. A grayish and yellowed t-shirt will look like new. You'll see the difference immediately. Place the t-shirt in the sink and squeeze a few centimeters of toothpaste onto it. Toothpaste has whitening properties and removes stains and discoloration. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt naturally restores the whiteness of white clothes. Add 1 capful of detergent for whites and pour warm but not boiling water over everything. The water temperature should match the fabric of the t-shirt. Mix it with the detergent and leave it for a few minutes. Then, hand wash the t-shirt in the water. You'll notice the water changing color. Finally, squeeze out the excess water and wash the t-shirt in the washing machine with other white clothes. If you dry the t-shirt in the sun, its rays will whiten it even more. This method for washing white clothes is simple and effective. Toothpaste, salt, and detergent can really whiten your clothes well. You can quickly clean that yellow collar, and your shirt will look as good as new. Pour about a tablespoon of salt into the sink. Add a scoop of detergent for white fabrics. Pour in about a tablespoon of white wine, then add the same amount of vinegar. Fill it all up with warm water. Soak the shirt in this mixture, making sure the collar stays submerged in the solution. Salt, detergent, white wine, and vinegar all have cleaning properties. These products remove stains and whiten the fabric. Leave the shirt for about 15 minutes to let the ingredients work on the stain. Then rinse it thoroughly with cold water to remove the mixture. Wash the shirt according to the care label in the washing machine, using detergent for light-colored clothes. Dry the shirt in fresh air, preferably in the sun. After drying, you won't see any yellow stains on the collar. This simple mixture makes your shirt look brand new. It gets the dirt out of your socks better than any bleach. No fancy detergent pod from a commercial will whiten your socks like this old-school trick from Grandma. White socks lose their brightness fast. Stains and dirt build up, and nothing seems to help. But I've got a method that really works. Grab a large glass container and toss in your dirty socks. Add a tablespoon of salt. It acts as a natural whitener and softens the water to boost cleaning power. Then add a tablespoon of baking soda to fight odors and help lift stains. Pour in some dish soap to break down grease and work as a gentle degreaser. Sprinkle everything with citric acid, which naturally brightens and boosts the effect of the baking soda. Finally, pour in hot water. Watch the mixture fizz. That's when the ingredients start penetrating the fabric and breaking down the grime. Stir it all with a wooden spoon and let the socks soak for a few minutes. Then toss them into the washer with your white laundry and run a gentle cycle. Take them out and see the results. Clean, fresh, and bright white, like brand new. No scrubbing, no expensive bleach. Try this trick and say goodbye to dingy gray socks forever. Mix it with water and wipe the window frames. Forget about yellow stains. From now on, your windows will be the whitest on the block. Grab a bowl and pour in a liter of warm water. Take some baking soda or baking powder from your kitchen cupboard and add it to the water. It's a great, natural whitener that works perfectly on plastic surfaces. Add a bit of dish soap, too. It cuts through grease and lifts dirt easily. Mix everything together. Then I take a sponge and simply wipe the frames. No scrubbing, no effort. The baking soda gently whitens and removes old stains. This trick not only cleans, but also protects the frames from future buildup. I wash them once, and they stay clean for a long time. Try it, and see how your window frames become snow white again. It's such a simple hack, yet it works better than expensive store-bought cleaners. No more yellow spots. Just a clean, bright finish thanks to a mix of 3 basic ingredients you already have at home. Your neighbors will definitely start asking what you use to clean your windows. And then you can share the secret to brilliantly white frames that last for years.